Ever been in a situation where you accidentally blocked someone on Venmo, and now you can't figure out how to undo it? Maybe you were just tidying up your contacts, or maybe it was a heat-of-the-moment decision, and now you're regretting it. Blocking someone on Venmo isn't as permanent as it seems, and it's surprisingly simple to reverse. So, how do you unblock someone and get back to seamless payments? Well, it's not a button you can just toggle off in your settings. The trick is to re-establish a connection with the person. The easiest way to do this is to search for them and send a new payment request, even for a tiny amount like $1. When you do this, Venmo will recognize that you're trying to interact with them and will prompt you with the option to unblock them. It's a bit of a workaround, but it gets the job done. Another method, which is even simpler if you're comfortable with it, is to ask them to request money from you. When they do, Venmo will again pop up with that handy unblock option. You can then accept the request, and voila, you are both unblocked and connected again. The key takeaway here is that Venmo's unblocking mechanism is triggered by an attempt at a new transaction. It's designed to ensure you really want to reconnect before restoring the link. Remember, once you've unblocked them, you can go back to your usual payments and requests. So, don't worry about any lingering blocks. The past is officially in the past. It's a great little feature that gives you control without making it a permanent dead end. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.